Hey everybody, it's Corvette Dan. Welcome back to the channel. If you own a C7, you know that the gas door does lock, but unlocks upon when you approach the car or when you get out of the car to get gas. However, there's a known issue with this actuator that unlocks the gas door. Sometimes it just stops working without warning. So when the car is unlocked, the door's supposed to pop open like such, right? There's this little actuator inside, as you can see right there, that locks and goes into this hole. As you can see, there's something in that hole now. There's a hole here, right? If you have a C7, you know what I'm talking about. Well, when that actuator stops working, it renders that door unable to open. Now, luck have it, Corvette Debbie would be somewhere and would really need gas and couldn't get the door open. I've heard stories about people having to pry these doors open. Yeah, what's that going to do to your paint? Yes, you can get at it through the wheel well, and there's all kinds of information on YouTube as to how to do that. However, is that going to happen on the road somewhere or with your spouse? Probably not. And another thing, it's known that that issue, the replacement part, it can very well come back and haunt you again. So the hack I have here for you is go to your big box store, and that's just a little, it's a cork. It's a rubber cork, because I noticed that cork isn't going to necessarily hold up. And I forget what size it is, but you can guesstimate. Go to your big box store, pick up a couple of them, find one that fits, and I cut it off nicely here, and that prevents this little actuator rod from popping out and locking it. Now you could say, well, then that renders my car, someone could go ahead and steal my gas. Well, right now the big issue around where I live is catalytic converters. This car's always parked in the garage anyway. It obviously has an alarm. If you want my gas, this plastic door ain't going to stop you anyway. So let me know what you think. Did you know that? You can search that on the Corvette forum or YouTube or other places, but that actuator is known to go bad, and it will leave your gas cap door unable to open. So let me know what you think. Please click the bell to be notified when I drop videos. They're coming daily, folks. Please like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I do appreciate it. As always, this is Corvette Dan. Until the next one, thank you very much.